For all the cooking enthusiasts out there, introducing the world's inaugural intelligent assistant, Cooksy. This innovative companion skillfully navigates you through the cooking journey, providing step-by-step guidance for even the most intricate dishes. Cooksy diligently keeps an eye on the temperature, ensuring your frying pan remains at the optimal heat for your dish. With timely alerts for adding, stirring, or flipping ingredients, cooking is designed to simplify your culinary experience. This cutting-edge assistant is available at the price of $299. EverFitX is crafted for those who understand the value of consistent workouts but find it challenging to make it to the gym. This home workout system seamlessly combines a rowing machine, treadmill, and fitness pump. Settings are conveniently displayed on a spacious touchpad, easily accessible even during a run. With dimensions of 170x91x120 cm and a foldable design, EverFitX is a space-saving solution. The entire system comes with a price tag of $400. Effortlessly convert your solar panel into a camp table within seconds. That's the brilliant suggestion from the innovators at iNNOPOWER. It stands out as the most potent product in its category on the market, available in two versions, the CX100 and the CX200. With power ranging up to 100 watts and 200 watts respectively, both versions weigh no more than 5 kilograms and can effortlessly support a load of tens of kilograms. The 100-watt panel table is competitively priced at $249. Last but certainly not least, we introduced the Knog Fang, a multi-tool set to captivate cyclists. Beyond the usual knife and bottle opener, it discreetly houses two tire removers and features a magnetized head for hex bits. Weighing in at a mere 65 grams, the compact Knog Fang conveniently slips into your pocket. This versatile multi-tool can be yours for $42. Mezmoglobe Luna, a mesmerizing toy that doesn't come with a budget-friendly price tag, clocking in at $61. However, the experience it promises is well worth the investment. Prepare to be astounded as it plays mind games with an optical illusion that defies gravity. Watch in awe as the ball appears to levitate when set into a spin. It's a visual treat that challenges your perception. What intrigues me most about the Mezmoglobe Luna is its ability to captivate without relying on electrical or magnetic components. The mystery lies within the clever design, and the creators leave it up to the buyers to unravel the enigma. The Mishatu Voyager smart suitcase has revolutionized the luggage landscape, breaking free from the conventional norm. This innovative suitcase not only obediently trails its owner but also moonlights as an electric scooter, offering a ride for about 7 kilometers. Weighing in at a mere 5.4 kilograms, it boasts a 33L capacity, bringing convenience to your travels. The price tag for this dual-purpose wonder stands at $599. Overade LIFE is dedicated to injecting a sense of excitement into the daily lives of their customers through a cutting-edge bicycle helmet. This innovative gear goes beyond mere head protection, it's a technological marvel. With front and rear lighting, complete with turn signals, this helmet not only prioritizes your safety but also transforms your cycling experience. What captured my attention about the Overade LIFE is its meticulous attention to detail. Offering an impressive 20 hours of illumination on a single charge, it surpasses the standard. The added benefits of a removable visor and carefully designed aerodynamics provide a considerate touch, enhancing both functionality and style. Currently priced at $98, this helmet is set to be delivered in May 2024. Presenting a versatile multi-tool poised to be an invaluable assistant for a broader spectrum of buyers, encompassing rescue personnel, EMTs, and medics. Boasting a patented lever system named compound leverage, it ensures swift and effortless cutting of diverse materials. The kit comprises tweezers, a screwdriver, a reamer, a glass breaker, and various other tools. Weighing in at 135 grams, this multifaceted tool comes with a price tag of $124. In light of the escalating heat waves witnessed across numerous countries, the demand for a viable solution has become more pronounced. As an illustrative example, in July 2023, China grappled with soaring temperatures, peaking at 52.2 degrees Celsius. Enter the QOOLA Pro Mini Air Conditioner, an imperative accessory. Affix it effortlessly to your head, stomach, back, or any other preferred location using a secure strap, and experience a refreshing drop in air temperature to a comfortable 12 degrees Celsius. Priced at just $89, this compact cooling device ensures a reprieve from the scorching heat for a substantial 8 hours on a single battery charge. Discover the luxury of warmth in a mere 3 seconds, free from dust, wind noise, or dry skin. That's the assurance from the masterminds behind SUNKOS Heater. After 3 years of dedicated craftsmanship, they've introduced a highly efficient heating film that swiftly reaches 32 degrees Celsius within just 3 seconds. This remarkable efficiency makes SUNKOS 40 times more effective than many alternatives. The price tag for this cutting-edge heater is set at $229.